avocado salsa is sweet, fruity, and very delicious. Best served over some pilau, some chips, or even ugali. And trust me, it's going to be very perfect. To make this salsa, I'll be adding in a combination of fresh ingredients. I have some mango and avocado because we're making mango and avocado salsa. Also, I have some lemon, cucumber, onion, and tomato. And I'll be adding in some black pepper for a kick of spiciness. I'm going to start off by cutting my avocado in half. Use my knife and remove the pit of the avocado. Peel my avocado. Adding in a whole avocado is going to add a lot of creaminess to our salsa. Chop my small onion. Dice a little bit. Transfer to my bowl as well. Chop one tomato. And I'm going to remove the pulp of the tomato. Adding in tomato to our salsa is going to add in some texture and also some color to our salsa. Chop up my flesh into strips and cube. Transfer to my bowl. Next, I'm going to chop my cucumber. So I'm going to cut off one end and cut lengthwise. Stack my cucumber and cut into strips. Just like that. Then cut into cubes. I love adding in cucumber to my salsa because it adds a very nice crunch to the salsa. Transfer to my bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Pick my mango and peel. So I'm going to cut the top of the mango just like that, and then using my knife I'm going to peel off the skin of the mango. Cut the sides of the mango just like this. Just like that. Lay on one side and cut into strips and cube my mango. The mango is going to add a very fresh, natural sweetness to the salsa. After adding in my mango, I'm going to squeeze in juice of half a lemon. So I'm going to use my lemon squeezer and squeeze out a teaspoon of lemon juice in the bowl. Add in some black pepper, salt, mix until fully combined, and you can see how vibrant the mango and avocado salsa is looking. The lemon juice is going to add in some tanginess to our salsa, and also it's going to stop the avocado from oxidizing. The black pepper is going to add a very mild spiciness to our salsa, and the salt is to season our salsa. So the recipe is done and the salsa is looking very delicious and refreshing. Before serving your salsa, you're going to refrigerate or chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Best served over some rice, pilau, ugali, chips, and trust me, it's going to be worth it.